That's stunning, isn't it? I think they could do that all day. No, I think they wear themselves out. Both doing that side kick. How's that? Knife edge near the ground. Doesn't worry them. Don't touch. Wow. Inverted going up. Still going up. Down they come. This is all completely controlled. This is amazing. Obviously, they're communicating together, saying what they're going to do, because they're just doing this display in synchronisation, which is great. All right, so you've got Lachlan and Jake, a couple of stars of the Lilydale club, I reckon. I think that, I don't know whether it's called a TikTok, I think that's called a TikTok. TikTok. I think it's called a TikTok. But what they're doing there, that snap roll, they go. Oh, Lachlan went within about an inch of the ground there, pulling out. There you are. One's gone up, one's. So I guess they've got to take. Oh, look, knife edge circuit. I think the two of them got a little bit worn out then, had a little rest, went up high, then came back and got into it again. Brilliant flying though. And I think Lachlan's about to mow the grass, or is it Jake? Lachlan mowing the grass. Lots of smoke. There. Hey, up they go. Right, this is preparing for the landing, I would imagine. No, not yet. I think this is preparing for the landing. They won't come down in a standard formation. They'll switch off their motors. I know they'll both do it. They'll both switch off their motors when they're ready. Right, engines off, inverted, coming down, water rotation. Oh, look at that. And again. Oh, beautiful. Oh, a little heavy. Give the boys a hand. How's that for a display?